Yo, what's going on, guys? All right, welcome back to learning a new trick every day. Today I'm going to be attempting to learn how to Sal Flip. I'm not really sure exactly what variation of that. Maybe I'll go straight into the ramp, maybe I'll learn it to tail or disaster, but the goal is to just get one nice and clean. This is a trick I first saw done, or at least in person, by a guy named Dan Carrero. So I used to ride for a company called Substance Skateboards, maybe like 15 years ago, somewhere in that range. And I taught a skate camp in New Hampshire called Waterville Valley Skate Camp. Stayed there the whole entire summer, and that's where I met Dan. So day in and day out, I watched this guy skate transition, and he opened my mind to a lot of tricks. One of them being the Sal Flip. Only took me 15 years to now actually give it an attempt and try to really learn it. So hopefully today we can get one. All right, so I really have no idea what I'm doing with this trick. So I'm just gonna start out on this quarter, kind of holding it in my hand and doing the motion of a Sal Flip and just getting the feeling of jumping back on it. Does not feel natural. So I'm rolling away every try, but it just doesn't feel comfortable. If I was actually doing the trick, I feel like I'd land primo or slip out or something. I'm gonna try to pop one into my hand now. Okay. I'm starting to know this with a lot of these transition tricks, that the steeper the transition is, the easier it is to do. Oh. I think it's there, but maybe I should try this to disaster first just to get the feel for it. There we go, okay. I feel like I can't get out of the way of it. Okay. Okay. I think once you catch it, you gotta throw it down a little bit. Oh! Ah. All right, let's get 2 feet on it right here. Oh, that was it. Oh, okay, kind of went for it. Not really though. Whew. I think the tail stall is the move here. Okay. Oh! Ah, okay. I think coming at a slight angle helps. Oh, okay. We got it. All right, 2 feet no matter what. Oh, I tried. Gotta redo it. That's one trick I thought I would never be able to do, so feels good to leave with it. I still feel like there's an element of, I don't know, keeping my arm lower or throwing the board down that I'm not doing right that could make this much easier, because it just felt like, I don't know, that's what was kind of preventing me from landing in the tail stall properly or comfortably. But the biggest adjustment overall was coming up at a slight angle. For some reason, that just made the rotation make much more sense than as if you're going straight at this quarter pipe and just popping the board straight at yourself. You know, for some reason that angle thing kind of unlocked it for me. But yeah, man, feels good. Feels good to get that one. Always wanted to do it. Leave a comment, let me know that I should learn tomorrow. I'll see you guys then.